We're going to look for some firewood.
Firewood. Yeah. People, we're going to find some firewood, man. You know, village life.
Yeah.
You need
sunny weather.
Yes. You need some strong, hardcore wood, eh?
Yes. We love the rain.
And you can see here we are in Bua.
Yeah.
Neta brought the rain from Suva.
No.
People, we are at the village called Wainunu, aka Small America. They call this Small America because this is the place of the Kailamas, you know. So we're gonna see.
Sometimes I follow the chair, I always keep calling.
Let's see, man. I've never been to a village where it's only Kailamas. I don't mind. Sounds very lovely to me. You can see here. This is the road we came with the pickup truck. $150 people for us to go from Nambualu to here. We were sitting at my Tau's house and waiting for the rain to pass by, but it doesn't seem like it. So we just decided to go. You can see here. People, this is the main road.
Yes. It's the King's Highway.
Yes. Mateo said that where they stay at is closer to Sabsabu. So when they go do their shopping, they go to Sabsabu, do their shopping, then come back. And it's $13 one way. Man, pretty expensive, but I don't know how far Sabsabu is from here, you know. You can see here. Baller lifestyle, man.
Not the island boys.
Not the island boys, from the islands to the Vols. Okay, people, I'm going in. See here. You see here the cassava farms in the early stages. I hope my lens can pick it up. Hope the rain doesn't disturb it too much. Let's see here. I check over my chow in front. See cassava all the way down, man. Boy, a big cassava plantation, eh?
Yeah.
Farm, eh?
Cassava patch.
This is my Tau's.
Yes. The summer patch of the brother. Because the weather is like this.
This is the Vanua Levu Ngele.
Yeah, boy.
Ngele Mbulumbulas, eh?
Just like in the movies, yeah.
Yeah. And this is their land, eh?
Yeah. Boy, see how green it is.
The Browns land.
Browns, Browns, the Bura, the Whippy.
Ui. Ui.
Small America.
The Kailamas of Vanua Levu.
Yes.
maybe you can explain what kailoma is to some of the people that don't know what is a kailoma.
Kailoma is like, when the transmittal of sexual. When they meet each other, then they go like this. No, this gang like the Kaimalang. Like I don't know, maybe the great grandfathers are maybe American. But we don't know. Time will tell.
Yeah.
But for few days will be staying?
For I think 6 days. 5 days or 6, yeah.
I thought don't want to go back.
Only if I see the girls then I'll see.
Oh, the gills. They come like this, the gills. Like this.
No, but as Chikobe said, as Neta said, kailoma is like in the olden days the Europeans, the Kepalangis.
They come and have sex here. They want to do part-time sex. They don't know. How is going. From there, maybe they begin from there.
Yeah. So that's what Neta said. So generation after generation, they have people that mix with the Fijians, Indians,
they come to
Chinese.
Fiji, they come to work, and after the working hours, they go do their work.
And for that, where you have like mixed European
From there
blood,
you see the Bura, the Brown,
Yes.
the UP.
that is what you call kailomas. See, my Neta here is also kailoma. See the dum skin color?
No. I'm black. Myself, pure Kandamu. Myself, no Kailom. Because I'm black.
That's why. That's what we in Fijian call kailoma. If you ask them, hey, why is your name English? Then you know, if they're Fijian, they speak Fijian. They speak Fijian, but their name is English, and their color is a bit kebalang, dam. Then they are probably kailoma.
The Musang they wondering.
Yes. Maybe we should
Just
go down.
like you eat a super blue.
Maybe we should go down to my tau just to take a look at his technique of dambukas. Ow! I think if we just waited 5 more minutes back in the at home, it would have stopped rain. But we decided to go. Maybe the rain just wants.
Because the rain has stopped because we come outside the
Yeah.
I think if we were sitting there, the rain still coming.
They wanted us to get wet, the weather gods. Boy.
You especially.
Even the firewood in Vanua Levu is very mbulambulus,
Yeah, see, very dry food.
Very dry food. Boy, that's why my tau here is very mbulambulus,
Iyo,
Hey, you good? Boy, it's like a bazooka.
Yeah. Bazooka. This one is for me. And even the size, people, it's like actually accurate enough for you to live.
Here. Everything here in Vanua Levu is big, eh?
Not that big, but accurate big. But it's nice, the weather introduces us.
Yo, it's like a nice welcome to you, eh? Welcome to Mbua
We
Vanua
thank the
Levu.
Lord for welcoming us in this weather. Most probably for Neta, because that's how.
Tonight you will drink my.
No, myself will sit in the corner and cheer for you.
Sanga. That's not how. Because you're the tau too.
No, this gang, my uncle. You know. Oni, uray. Alright. Okay, now it's time to cook the bazooka to lift it. Leave suddenly. In here in the village we don't use gas stove. We use firewood. Hardcore.
Okay, people, let's go back. Okay, people, out on the main road again. See the boys in front of me. Look.
Like not to sit here.
Daira.
Susu gitu. Susu kayak so look at the firewood like this.
That's the Vanua Levu.
Yeah.
So when people say do the Vanua Levu technique,
Yeah.
that's another technique.
Yeah.
Ui. Ui. That's how they weave, clean the...
This one they do like that.
Because everything here is Levu, eh? Vanua Levu, eh?
Essential and very lovely. Let's eat it. Oh, that's why the cassava grow very big.
Ui. Because of the weeding technique, eh?
Good in technique. You know the sound. Boo, sota.
Boy. See, that's Vanua Levu for you.
One so big.
One shot nga bam.
One shot, bam.
Kadas.
Bam, baby.
See? People, if you want to come and get your firewood kadas, you come to my town here. Look, the technique here.
Wara man, mishi. Oh, mother na ba tu? Gusto ko balik ko yun. Eh? Atang kumraw yun. Ay, wala. Ha? Atang kumraw ko. Ito yung buli ko. Sing. Ito na mama kata ni singit yun. Ang alam mo. Huwag ka ngay vibe no. Ang vibe no ban.
Boy, it's very dry, people.
Huh? Very
The
ripe?
firewood. Very ripe in the tiny.
Hey.
Ui. Boy,
You have to be very solid.
you have to the hips. Eh? You should work the hips. Eh?
Ik zie bersarap tu na channel na YouTube mama.
People, this is the batch for today. After this, then night will miss you.
Oh, Mishi. No, Mishi.
His uncle said tonight you're gonna buturakis.
Myself too, very experienced in step. Todo mo. Body. Stop talaga na libo. Oh, this time myself drink mandadati. After that, then I tell him no. Bumalak sa rabat to me. How's the rain bat?
Boy, different than here in Bua.
Yeah.
Very.
Because you come, you bring the rain.
No.
Yeah. Mini. Tapos may kaya kuku. Kuku, man. Hey, so kuku. We have the local pie, which is the bread biscuit.
That's the ganda pun pie.
No, this is the pie from Motorich.
Bless this food that we are about to serve for Christ's sake. Amen.
Oh, see, here they speak in English. Small America.
Oh, small.
They can speak Abu Dhabi too.
Ui. How does that sound?
Oh, I don't know. Chinese, Japanese.
Okay, people. We're going. We're gonna go to the school, the village. What's the name of the village? Antelin. Huh? Antelin. In a corner. The village name. Buniatu. Buniasi. Oh, Buniasi. And what's your name? This is my tour guide. What's your name?
Logan.
Logan go. What's your name?
Sabinada.
Sabinada. Oh, Logan Paul and Sabinada Bolada. Okay, people, we're on the way now. You can see how this is Jacob's two Tavalis. The Vanua Levu Tavalis.
This fella with the head taban.
Logan Paul and 7 other blood.
Logan Paul and Mike Tyson. So when we reach in front, I tell them, Mike man, that is
Yesterday while Jacob was sleeping on the porch, Mr. Vale, this guy, Mike Tyson, came in, did this, and then ran away. Boy, Jacob was sleeping, suddenly he woke up. Boy,
this one, Mike Tyson looking at.
But we're going down to the village, to their village, and the school, where they go to school, just to see how a village looks like here in Bua, Vanua, Levu. See, this is the boys, this is small America, and you can see the bamba cow mixed with pineapple. Boy,
That's my lava. Sudah bata. Pineapple. This one bataless.
people you can see here, down there some houses.
There's the next church.
Oh, the church is up there. Oh. That's the religion they follow here, you know, 7 days.
Parau.
Dua.
Dua. Awak. Right. Ini rumah.
Oi, Yonjir. They're about to run. See who comes first.
Ano mah? Tolong.
Resulta sih.
Boy Winnie. Naluluto no nanoto. Pernah lu sih naluluto, nanti cuma nangkalu kamu. Wah rara tuh mu. Right. Kanya mat, cukup bantu muri. Langsung get set.
Kudu.
Get set. Tolong, get set. Ready, awa. Ada mat. Get set. Ready. Ada mat. Get set. Ada mat. Get set. Ready. Go.
Okay, people, we're coming down to the main road now. Because yeah, the school is on our right. This is the principal. Come here, principal. What's your name? Nico. Let me get come. This is the principal of the school. Very dangerous guy. Go.
Oh.
So we're going down now.
The principal. It's the vice principal. That's the AP.
Oi.
Which is the head boy now.
Oi. Prefect. No, you're the head girl. Where you go?
No, the prefect of Epsom.
Oh, Logan. I forgot the name of the village. What's the name of the village? Batinivurewai. And remember, people, this is what they call small America. Gori di my America. You see, very beautiful up here in the Valos, yeah?
Yes, Valos of the village.
Boy, here. In Vanua, Levu, if you see pines like this, you can just come, cut it down, and then bring it home.
Come cut it down in the village.
That's how, you know, their culture is in Vanua Levu. They will never say no.
No.
They will say yes, just take all of the things. See the houses there. Wow, blue, eh? Very pretty. Why nun? Oi, nun ya.
Itu muna.
People, this is the primary school. They don't have a secondary here in this village. You have to go there. That's the other way. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. That's towards number 1. Oi. Everything here blue. Eh?
Yes. The house of the teacher.
Oi.
Everything blue.
Everything blue. Oh, thank you.
Of the school of
Even the teachers are blue.
Yes.
Oh, even the teachers are blue. Boy, I'm looking forward to see the teachers.
Allah, yang amat apa lesson? The school of the school.
Oi,
This
oi.
one. Sana the school of the day.
Eh? Gas ni boleh kalah blue tal nggak? Oh, yang nomor dan gas ni boleh.
Even kalau belum. Engine.
See here, wow. What a beautiful house here. Man. Eh? Oh, they just built it. Oh,
They just build it to now.
they just built it to now.
Not today, not tomorrow.
Thank you, Bolada, for your explanation. Which house is that? Oliver?
Daddy.
Oi,
Daddy Oliver.
oi, Daddy Oliver. Oi, so here one big family.
Yes.
Who's that? Oi,
The parents is died.
oi, oi. Passed away.
Yes.
Oi.
Kalau saya kau nak mau yang bunjila died here.
Oi. Oi, thank you.
Mau juga ya.
Oi, you know everybody here.
Yes.
You know Logan?
Logan Paul. This is my Tatoshi.
See. Ooh, very dangerous guy, this guy.
Oh, that fella. Oh. That fella same the coconut.
One house here. One house of the teacher.
Oh, you can.
Oh, this.
This one.
No.
In front.
Yes.
Oh, the blue one. Oh,
Yeah.
oh, the school is here.
Mika. Mika. Ba't ka naman ko ni bully, Mika? Ba't ka naman ko ni bully?
You, principal, you lead the way. Come, go in front.
This is one calabash. Dari ba?
William.
Another river.
Oi,
No, tago, dupekadi.
doon kadi? Ha?
Dupekadi. Dupekadi.
Oi,
Levu.
people in Vanua Levu, they have this river called Waibekadi.
Yes.
Yes, that's the name.
Super yaman ni ko la kung sa Levu.
You?
Yaman ni ko
Iyo.
sa Levu. Tu kanibaka mabuaka.
Oi.
O ba sala ko tumingkila?
Eh? Oh boy.
Yeah. My Tatoshi, boy. My Tatoshi.
Oi, miss nung tombo.
See, this guy. Matapali, they're very smart in searching for their homes.
They're good at finding tombos.
Yeah, makagawa. Like that's their number one priority.
Dalabalingon.
Okay. Where's the teachers? Every.
This one.
Oi, all the blue houses are the teachers.
When these two men are students and they are teachers too as well.
Oi,
Yeah, they just teach each other.
My teacher.
oi, that's your teacher.
Look, Bill.
Blue. Oi.
Blue,
Oi,
blue,
go.
blue, blue.
See the Andy Elaine. Hey, Andy Elaine say Andy Elaine. Primary school.
Kung ano maris mo na takanang rutupa, manangula yan.
Yeah.
Nonong kay tikta kami sandong, puro hulog.
Hmm.
Just the semua na tignan.
People, this school used to be further down.
Yes.
But then the women who started this school
Yeah.
got married to one guy here, his grandfather.
Yeah. After my grandfather married the Palangal, after that then she transferred the school from this side because he was the manager of the school. By the time the school was, where we saw the Vanua river, at the other side. The school was there. And as soon as the fella bring the school away and he left the old woman again. Because the fella think of the grandchildren. Yeah. So that there no need for them to ride boat again, go to the other side.
Good.
Now the grandfather passed away, see the school now. His grandchildren. Yeah, schooling. Very smart, eh?
Very smart.
One smart move that my pa did.
Hey. What?
And that kind of moves this fella got.
Eh?
Yeah.
Wait, what's this house? Who's that? Oi.
Pamisi. And si Bramech.
Hey, watch out. Oi. Boy.
See this dog? Very dangerous.
Eh?
Can gonna bite you.
Bite you?
Bite me.
Bite me too? Boy, not bite you?
He will bite your balls. If not your balls, your head, he will bite.
Boy, everything here blue, eh?
Boy. Boy, see, very small fella. But the brain is big.
The brain is big.
Yeah.
Brain is of age. Oi. Here class 1 to 8. Eh?
1, 2,
You?
1, 2, 8, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7.
Oi. You show us your classroom.
Oh, this one, in front, sir.
In front, sir.
Washing area.
This one. So toothbrush, everything here.
This side.
And where's you two's classroom? Logan Paul and another blood.
Not this, not this, not this.
Where?
That's class.
See, this is Andy Elaine, eh? Remember? Oi.
That's the.
She passed away last year.
Yeah.
Oi.
Pangalaway.
Eh? Why? Okay. So these two tour guides wants me to
That's a mango tree.
mango tree where? Oh, in front there. Oh, this is the office library.
Office computer lab.
Oh, office computer lab library. Wow. You know how to use the computer? Yes. Rabungo, what's that?
Yes.
Yes.
Lali.
Lali. You know how to play the lali?
Yes.
Do it. Hey, go. No, Tambo. Okay, go to the way. Oi. And then, when do you guys do it? Lunch? Yeah?
Yes. Morning, 8 o'clock.
Oi.
Pregnancy.
Oi. Suka na buli.
Yes. Lunchtime.
Oi. People in over there is the toilets.
Dua patangan.
Oh, in dua patanga.
Boys
Oi.
there, girls here.
Oi.
This. Ancient book.
Hey. Oi, this is the Levu.
Yes. River.
River.
Not this is what?
Do you guys bath here or no?
No. This river reach at home.
Oi. Oi. And this is where people come to play touch.
Yes. Let's go. Go. Can tell him go. Come on.
Oi.
It's a road to go home. This.
Wait, this one is a shortcut home.
Put
So people, Stefanata here said that sometimes they fish all the way up here, like spearfish, totok, using the spear. And there's a shortcut.
There is some there.
Oi, lady you. See there, Logan. Boy. Logan, Paul. Oi. Oh. Oi. The village here is kind of spread out, you know. Some villages we've been to, the houses is like
20 of them are in the cities.
Oi. Not many of them are left. Many houses here are empty. You can see here how healthy the soil is planting beside the house. Terrace. See? Hey, people, we're going back now. We found some grog, my towel here, with a bag of grog here. But this is basically the village, people. There. And where we stay at. There's only like 3 main families staying here. The Brown, the Weepy, I can't remember the last one. But this is like the land that belongs to the Brown family, where the school is at. 100 acres they bought back in the day. But yeah, small America, the place where the Kailamas of Vanua Levu stays at. The llamas, you know, different places. Fiji, they have you know, different Kailama families. Like in Levuka, the Patson family, they are the Kailamas there. And Vanua Levu, where we are at, the Weepy, the Brown. There's one more, man, I can't remember this.
Sahabat menapitan. Agar tak kurubul.
Kono kurubuli.
The school.
Koi to kita kumaya. To kita tengah man dono je sumana lele. Smart move.
Smart move, sir.
To boleh man to bali.
No.